Hello my friends, how are you? I hope everything is all right. So, today we come with interesting facts about parrots. Let's start. General facts. First, there are over 400 species of parrots worldwide. Parrots are found on every continent except Europe and Antarctica. The order Psittaciformes includes all parrots. Most parrots live in tropical and subtropical regions. Parrots are known for their brightly colored feathers. They have strong, curved beaks, which are ideal for cracking nuts and seeds. Parrots are zygodactyl, meaning 2 toes point forward and 2 backward. Most parrots are herbivores, eating seeds, fruits, nuts, and flowers. Some species also eat insects or small animals. Parrots have excellent color vision. Intelligence and communication. Parrots are among the most intelligent bird species. They can mimic human speech and other sounds. The African gray parrot is considered the best talker. Parrots understand context, not just mimicry. Some parrots use tools and solve complex puzzles. Wild parrots have been seen naming their chicks with specific calls. Parrots can learn up to 1,000 words. They often mimic household sounds like phones and microwaves. Behavior and lifestyle. Parrots are very social animals. Many species mate for life, monogamous birds. They communicate with squawks, chirps, and body language. Parrots use their feet to hold food while eating. Some species can live in flocks of hundreds. They engage in preening to maintain their feathers. Parrots often bond deeply with humans when kept as pets. So, let's talk about how parrots start their lives. Parrots lay eggs, and, it's usually somewhere between 2 to 8 eggs at a time. Most species actually nest in tree hollows, which is pretty fascinating. And, both parents often help out when it comes to raising the chicks. Parrot chicks are what we call altricial. They're born blind and featherless, so they really depend on their parents in those early days. After just a few weeks, the young parrots learn to fly, which is always an exciting milestone. Some parrots, believe it or not, can live for over 50 years. And the macaw? Well, this amazing bird can live up to, over 80 years. Now, let's meet some of the most unique parrot superstars out there. The kakapo is a large parrot that, interestingly, can't fly and is active mostly at night. Budgerigars, or budgies as many folks call them, are small parrots from Australia and are super popular as pets. The hyacinth macaw holds the title for the largest flying parrot. On the other end of the scale, the buff-faced pygmy parrot is the smallest species. The kea, found in New Zealand, is famous for its, mischievous behavior, and the Amazon parrot, it's a favorite among people who love talking birds. Sadly, a lot of parrot species are endangered, mostly because of habitat loss and poaching. The illegal pet trade is also a really big threat to wild parrot populations. In fact, the Spix's macaw was once declared extinct in the wild, which is just heartbreaking. But there is hope. Conservation efforts like breeding programs and creating protected reserves are making a difference. Some parrots are even protected by international laws like CITES. But honestly, deforestation remains the main threat to parrot habitats, and that's something we all need to be aware of. So did you know that parrots were actually kept as pets way back in ancient Egypt and Rome? And here's something cool. Alexander the Great brought parrots to Europe from India. In lots of cultures, parrots are seen as symbols of love, wisdom, and communication. Oh, and of course, pirates are often shown with parrots on their shoulders, right? In Hinduism, the god Kamadeva is even said to ride a parrot. Plus, parrots pop up in loads of folk tales and legends around the world. So, parrots as pets, huh? Well, first off, parrots require a lot of mental stimulation and social interaction. If they get bored, parrots can actually become aggressive or even depressed. But on the bright side, they can learn all sorts of tricks like waving or playing fetch. And, many parrots need special diets, not just seeds. Parrots can form lifelong bonds with their owners, which is pretty amazing. Oh, and some parrots even develop favorite music or songs. Now let's talk about some interesting abilities. Parrots can actually dance to music and recognize rhythm, which is just awesome. They're able to identify shapes, colors, and even count. Some parrots understand object permanence, which is a pretty advanced concept. Plus, they can imitate other animals and all sorts of environmental sounds. And get this, parrots may even dream, as suggested by their brain activity during sleep. Alright, here are some fun facts I think you'll love. Parrots can be left-footed or right-footed, just like people. There's a parrot named Einstein who knows hundreds of words and sounds. Super impressive. Parrots clean themselves by bathing in water or dust. The sunconure is really famous for its vibrant yellow-orange plumage. Sometimes parrots even laugh when humans laugh. Some parrots form these creches where adults watch over multiple chicks. They often nest in the same place year after year. A parrot's beak grows continuously, kind of like our fingernails. The oldest known parrot lived to be over 80 years old. The blue and yellow macaw is definitely one of the most recognizable parrots out there. Parrots can fly up to 40 miles per hour. In the wild, parrots often eat clay to neutralize toxins. Some species migrate short distances seasonally. And believe it or not, parrots have even been trained to assist disabled people with tasks. Thanks so much for watching, and hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds.